How cool is that? Organic, certified, grown in US, cotton. And these are your beautiful pillows. You ever wonder what's inside your pillows? Wonder no more by shopping at whitelotishome.com. We hand make it all right here in the United States. The outside's got certified organic. The inside's got certified organic. Nothing else but nice, beautiful fibers, just like Mother Nature intended. whitelotishome.com. That's all you have to do, and that's the only place you have to go to sleep better, healthier, today, tomorrow, and forever. Oh, you thought I was finished? No, that is how we make our mattresses. By hand, right here in the United States. Organic, organic, organic. That's all it is. That's all it is. Take care, y'all. See y'all soon.